Listen, I know it feels hard right now financially for a lot of people. So if you are somebody that is serious about changing your financial circumstances, whether you're looking to get started or you're already in the process, I want you to watch this entire video because we're going to go through it. And I'm even going to share with you my own journey. And the one thing that I want you to take away from this video is that there's light at the end of the tunnel, but it requires that you take action now. The primary reason for that is we're in the middle of a huge financial restructuring. Now, with that is going to come a lot of changes for people that just aren't ready for it. But on the flip side of that, there's also going to be a lot of opportunity for those that are willing to position themselves right now. The big money, guess what they're doing? They are positioning. When times are hard, when inflation is at its highest, when there's so much uncertainty in the world, the big money, they are positioning. That's why things feel so out of whack right now. Part of it, I believe, is by design. And again, the big money, they know exactly what they're doing, and they're positioning in the areas that they're telling us to stay away from. And so for me, this is what I think about on a day-to-day basis, because I look at this as a game. And the game that I play is, I do not want to give my money to the other team. I want to keep the money on my team. And so how I do that is like this. Every dollar that I make, after all my bills are paid, I immediately move it into things that I believe are going to go up in value or multiply. And the reason for that is this. The dollar that we work so hard for can be printed anytime they want. And every time our economy gets in trouble, guess what they do? They start printing money. We're in the middle of a war right now, and war is very expensive. And guess how they deal with it? They print money. We have printed more money in the last couple of months than we printed during 2020, the pandemic era. They have printed so much money. And the consequence of that is the more money that's in circulation, the dollars that you have become worth less, meaning that you can no longer buy the same things with the amount of money that you hold. And so again, the game then becomes moving that inflationary money into something that is deflationary, and that is what the big money understands. They're moving into deflationary assets. Where I believe this opportunity lies is in the digital currency space, on the blockchain, in the cryptocurrency space, because the new financial system that is coming in, everything's going to be on the blockchain. Everything's going to be tokenized. And so for me, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing with you what I'm doing. For me, it makes sense to invest in the companies that are going to be part of the new infrastructure. So for me, the projects that I look at, the projects that I invest in are things like Bitcoin, things like XRP, things like VeChain, things like Solana. I also invest in WLFI. I also hold Ethereum and Cardano and some other projects, all of which I believe will be part of the new infrastructure. And I know sometimes it's hard for people to make this adjustment for the simple fact that they're in a tough financial spot. They don't have the excess capital to invest. I get it. It is hard right now, and I understand it because I'm in the middle of it. I have 3 children and a stay-at-home wife. I'm fortunate to have several companies, 3 companies actually. I'm fortunate to have written 3 books. I'm fortunate to have various forms of income. But it still doesn't make it any easier. It is still hard because everything has gotten more expensive. And so I've had to find ways to get creative, even to the point of the car that I'm sitting in right now. This vehicle I just bought for $1,000. It has 270,000 miles on it. I bought this vehicle so that I can put my primary vehicle on Turo and let that thing start generating revenue, whether I want to pay off the loan on the car or invest it into more cash flowing assets. Again, it is hard, but I have to find ways to get creative, and you're going to have to do the same. You may have to look at your credit card debt, and you may have to attack it. You may have to cut out frivolous spending. There may be things that you're buying. I'm pretty sure if we did an audit of what you're spending your money on, I'm sure there's areas that we can find where you can start trimming the fat, whether that's clothing, whether that's unnecessary food, whether that's soda. Like, here's the beauty in this. The problem that you have, the number one thing that's cool about it is that you get to change it. And again, maybe you have limited income with the 9 to 5. That's okay. Put some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Start a side hustle. Go walk some dogs. Pick up some dog poop. Drive Uber. Put your car on Turo. The only thing that is stopping you from doing these things is you. So if you're willing to do a deep dive and try and figure out, where can I get creative? What kind of skill set do I have that I can start earning some extra income? Where can I start trimming some fat? What are some debts that I need to pay off that are high interest rates? Then we can start moving that money and investing it into things that are going to go up in value or multiply it. And look, you don't need a ton of money to get started. One of the biggest mistakes that I made when I first started investing in crypto is I thought I had to have large amounts of money to invest in projects. And I did invest large amounts of money, unfortunately. Because now what I do, there's days where I invest $5. There's days where I invest $100 and I split it up amongst things. And again, it's a game that I play. I literally just came from the ATM right now. I had some extra money. I put $30 into my ATM. Once I'm done making this video, I'm going to go to my exchange and I'm going to distribute that $30 amongst the projects that I just told you about. I'll probably buy some VeChain. I'll buy some XRP. I'll put a little bit in Bitcoin and I'll call it a day. Again, if you're serious, this is how I started the video. If you're serious about changing your financial circumstances, this is what the video was for. I want you to feel a sense of urgency to do something. You have to take action. The whole reason I started this YouTube channel was to help others see the opportunity that is right now in front of us and to take action. That is the whole purpose of this YouTube channel, is to inspire people like you to make a difference in your life. Because you know what? In the future, your future self, your family, they will thank you because nobody else is going to do it for you. Nobody is coming to save you. And when you realize that, you will do something about it. I hope this video finds you well. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, investing, wealth building, mindset, macroeconomics. So if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel, engage with the content, leave me a comment. Until next time, we'll talk soon.